Good morning, my dear students. Today we will continue with the lesson from your activity book Celebrating Earth Day. So, yesterday we did A, B, C, D, and E part, and today we will continue from F part. The question says fill in the blanks with E and or Y to complete these words. Now, below 9 words are given and every word is having either one blank or two blank. So, in the given blanks, we can write either E or Y or use both the letters to make a meaningful word. The first word is D dash N. Now, if you will try to put the letters, the correct option comes over here E. So, the word becomes D-E-N, den, a place where lion lives. The next word is K dash dash. Now over here the both letters will appear and the word will become K E Y, key, which is used to open a lock. Now let us look at next word. It is F L dash. And what does a bird do in the sky? Fly. So the letter Y will appear in the blank and the word will become FLY. Now children, you will do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by yourself and make meaningful word. Now let us look at G part. The question says put in capitals, question marks, full stops and exclamation marks at the right places. Now students, you all know that whenever we write a sentence, the first letter of the sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a punctuation mark. The punctuation mark can be a question mark, a full stop or an exclamation mark. Now let us start. Grasshopper. Why are you working so hard? Now, if you will look carefully, you will find that the first word begins with a small letter. And what is the rule? That the first letter of the first word should always be capital. So, over here for the word Y, the letter W will be capital. And if you will read the sentence carefully, why are you working so hard? It is a interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always end up with a question mark. So now let us rewrite this sentence in correct way. Now let us read the second sentence. Ant. We are storing food for winter. Now this sentence gives the information about what the ants are doing. So the first letter of the word will be capital and the information is given. It is declaring, the ant is declaring that we are storing food for winters. It is a declarative sentence and declarative sentence ends with a full stop. So let us write the answer in the given space. And now students, the rest of the sentences you will read carefully and do it yourself. Now let us look at the next question. Now the next question says, answer these riddles. Use a, an or the in your answers. Now let us read the first riddle. I am a huge grey animal with a very long nose and big tusks. Who am I? Yes, it is the largest animal on the land. Guess what it is? Yes, dear students, it is an elephant. So the answer is I am an elephant. So let us write the answer in the given space. Now let us read one more example. Riddle. I appear in the sky at night. I am round and gives out a silvery light. I change my shape every day. Who am I? Now, students, what can it be? It is up there in the sky. It changes its shape every day and it is round also. And it gives a silvery light. Yes, it is a moon. So the answer is I am a moon. Now students, 3 and 4, you will write the answer for the riddles by yourself. And now let us come to I part. Add a or an before these words and write them on the blank. Now few words are given here in the box. Let us read these words first. Banana, plant, ant, boy, girl, egg, box, elephant, peanut, octopus, lion, orange. Students, we have already done the topic articles in the English grammar. So you are well aware that if a word has a consonant sound, A will come in the beginning before it, and if a word starts with a vowel sound, an will come before the word. So the first word is banana, and B is a consonant sound. B. It is a consonant and it has a consonant sound. So the answer will be a banana. So let us write it in the given space. Now the next word in the box is plant. And if you will see carefully, plant, the first letter is P. And the sound of the letter P is P. Plant. And it is a consonant sound. So the answer will be a plant. The next word in the box is ant. And the word ant begins with A. A is a vowel. And the sound of letter A is A. Ant. So the vowel sound comes, then an will come before the word. So the answer is an ant. Now students, rest of the words which are left, you will do it by yourself. And be careful that A will come before the word with the consonant sound and an will come before the word with a vowel sound. So hope you might have understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.